des Big Bangers, ça va avec le speed novembre 2011 avec Tony.
46 bangers on the track.
Avec 46 voitures.
Three-way pile-up going into turn number 3. Down on strong. And then flying on the turn and turn. What a There's a turnaround car, turn number 4, looking to find it once more. I don't know how they're going to get through the carnage on turn 3 and 4. Number 1, 2, 6 for the rolling, just been carving on turn 3. Oh, turn 4, the limo flies in on turn 3. The carnage down on the turn 701. Checks another one off, and there goes in a limo. One, two, six, four, brand new, and he's blown up the back straight and piled into the side of one of them. So we're just going to go straight into the DD, folks. We can't even bear to have a sprint race. This is just too good to miss all these hits. And look at the smoke descending on the Tavern turn. So we're looking for last car running, best wrecker, and the best entertainer in the DD today. That's what we're going to do. Here comes 136. T-Bone on the exit of turn 4. And look at them flying on turn number 3 as well. So, 100 quid for 3 drivers. That's what it's going to be. 331 Boxer Jack is still running, and he's just been jacked up by 917. 27 Dow Hughes has got some life left, as has 312 Cybo Huzinger. Just piling in on turn number 3. The smoke is making it impossible to see down there. 331 Boxer Jack. I picked him up, going into the Tavern turn. And Boxer right into the back of 126. Roy Bradley. 312 gets a nudge in on 935. 27 Dow Hughes barely still there. So £100 for the best wrecker, the best entertainer, and the last car running. They each grab in a ton. Who's going to pick up the prizes? Number 2, Billy Lee, just getting nudged in the back, but he's got the state car, so there's plenty of boot room there. 124 is flying in the group onto turn number 3, and he's just managed to fly his way through, and he's now on the middle. There's a spin up, 402 Albie Jenner getting taken out, but that's not going to stop him yet. So 402 Albie Jenner, that's one of them that I can see. 312 is going flying in on turn 3, and he can't. 312, Cybo Huzinger. He's going to go back to Holland with a few war wounds, he feels. 402 Albie Jenner now down the back straight into turn 3. Who's he looking for? Who's he going to pick up? And he's found someone right on the end of it, but he's backed off. Looks like someone's alight. Looks like someone's alight on turn 3. And I think it's 158 Shane Davis, but I could be very wrong. looking for the last car running. Somehow, we're going to find one. And unbelievably, 1, 2, 4, Dick the Groot has managed to start it up again. Now, keep your eyes on 3, 1, 2 going down the back straight. Simon Huizinga and 1, 2, 4. Oh my goodness! No! I thought they were going to do it. But here comes 1, 2, 4, he's picked him up and puts him into turn 2. Albie Jenner, that's certainly still going. So is 1, 2, 4, so is 3, 1, 2, and 402 is just trying to pilot his way through. He's picked up one of the white ones. So who's going to be our last car running? Our best wrecker and our best entertainer today. That's what we're looking for. 100 quid each, so it's plenty worth it for these boys. 5 by 6 Chris Wyman looks to be backing off and having a go. Here comes 3, 1, 2. Once again, Simon Huizinga will not be behind. 294 the limo. Lee Hughes is back running on the Tavern turn. Here comes 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 4 is halfway down the back straight. Are they going to finally have their head on? Maybe not. Here comes 1, 2, 4. Now, is he going to pick up 3, 1, 2 as he goes down the home straight? 124. Dick the Groot. He picks up 3, 1, 2 and he runs him into turn 4. What a hit from 1, 2, 4. The Dutchmen are putting on a show here. Well, I don't know, but it looks like we may well have a last car running. Oh! So it looks like it's 1, 2, 4 and 3, 1, 2 are still running down there on the Tavern turn. So we're going to see what happens. We're going to see if one of them can back off. Is there one more big hit left in these two boys? 124 goes in again, and 556 is trying to back his way out, but he's done nothing. He's done nothing, unfortunately. He's been inactive way too long, so I think it's going to be 124. Okay then, red flags, checkered and red. What an effort from 124. Dick the Groot, last car running a firecracker 20. What a show from Dick the Groot. Now, don't go anywhere folks, because we've got the Shell Shock Pyrotechnic Firework display coming up right now, and you need to move your way round under the grandstand or halfway down the back straight. That's where you need to be. So everyone on the top end, move your way down and get ready